Hey guys, what's going on? I have a 2017 Jeep JK here in the shop, and I'm getting ready to upgrade the rear taillights with Rough Country's LED taillights. These are really nice, they're simple to put on, and we'll show you what's involved with swapping yours out. So what you're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver. I'm going to kind of make it a little quicker by using this drill. You're going to remove these two Phillips screws right here. Okay, now we have our two Phillips screws out, so you can push and lift out like that. So there's a squeeze clip right here. You're gonna push down on this tab and pull right out. So on the back side of these LED taillights, this kit comes with a resistor, or at least mine did. It comes with a bracket. So you want to attach the resistor to the bracket. They supplied some small screws and bolts with it. And then there are some clips with it, and it looks like it clips onto, push clips onto a piece of metal that's inside of the rear quarter, and we'll show you that in a minute. You're going to want to hook these up. You don't really want these bouncing around because they may get hot. It says on it that it can get hot to the touch. And so we're going to secure this up, and I'll show you what's involved with pushing this on inside the rear quarter so you know what to look for. So right on the inside of the taillight hole, there's a piece of metal right here, and you're going to push that bracket onto that. I have my bracket right here, and I'm going to push this on like that. This is how it should sit. There's two clips on the back side of that bracket. We squashed them down a little bit with a pair of pliers so they go in tighter. And you're going to want to make sure that this is nice and tight. This isn't wobbling around. Now you're going to take your wire harness and you're going to plug it in. Wait for it to click. You're going to feed your wiring through the hole. All right, so you're going to put your lens back in, and you're going to kind of roll it into place. And then you got two screws to put back in. Okay, so we're going to put my factory screws back in and catch them by hand. Grab your Phillips screwdriver. That one, and then this one. Okay, now the other side is done the exact same way, so we're going to go over and install the other one, and when we're finished, I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so if you can see in here, I took the bracket and I put the resistor up high on the inside of that piece of metal sticking out, so now it's way free and clear of the tailgate arm that's moving, and it's also away from the stock harness that's inside against the rear quarter. So I wire tied the extra wiring up, so we're going to tuck this in and bolt this lens up too. All right. You want to tighten these down evenly. You don't have to crank on them because this is plastic. Okay, it's good. Let's try them out. Yep, we got a left turn signal, right turn signal, brakes, and the reverse lights, which are way brighter than stock, so you can see a lot better at night. Looks good. And that's what the parking lights look like. So Brian, what do you think about your new Jeep?
Pretty nice.
This thing is unbelievable, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, is it everything you wanted?
Yep,
yeah,
it's my dream Jeep.
You ready for the beach?
Yep.
You gonna take your old man with you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you have a question, leave a comment. I will reply right back to you. Have a great day.